channel. I hope everyone is having an awesome week so far. Today's video, I will be making some lemon pepper chicken wings. They're crispy, they're healthier. I mean, we're not going to be frying them, so that makes them healthy, I guess. So they're going to be baked chicken wings. They're going to be delicious. And yeah, let's get to it.
Okay, so you're going to be needing some smoked paprika, some lemon pepper. I used this Kinder's brand seasoning, some unsalted butter, 1 lemon, garlic cloves, baking powder, granulated garlic, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Alright, so here I have my washed and cut chicken wings. I'm gonna add the baking powder. Remember guys, I said baking powder, not baking soda, because baking soda won't do anything for the chicken. The baking powder is supposed to suck out the moisture, which will in turn make them crispy. So I'll just add everything into the bowl and then mix them up. If you have time, you can marinate this for up to 2 hours. Meanwhile, you can preheat your oven to 250 degrees because you're going to be putting them in there for 250 degrees for 30 minutes. Place the chicken wings over a wire rack on a baking tray and then put them in the oven for the 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes are up, turn up the heat to 425 degrees and then let them bake again for another hour or until crispy to your liking. Meanwhile, to a small saucepan, add the butter and then the lemon pepper seasoning. I added a tablespoon per pound of chicken. I also grated in some garlic, the garlic cloves. I added the juice of half a lemon and also grated in the lemon peel. This is how they look in the oven. They look delicious and very crispy, like you can see. Place them in a bowl, in a big bowl, and then just toss them in batches. I had a lot of wings, so I had to toss in batches, but here you see I'm tossing the wings. Look how beautiful they look. This is how they came out. They look so good. They tasted even better. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you tried it, please leave a comment down below if you did try it and let me know if you liked it. Other than that, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.